Friends, this is how you can change your date of birth on Facebook. You need to press on the three lines. Go to settings and privacy. Then settings. Scroll down to profile details. Then go where the date of birth is. You edit the date of birth. Edit your date of birth. Edit the date of birth here. We are going to change this 22nd of December 2000. Then press set. Then save. Here they want you to confirm the changes of your date of birth. You confirm. Here they want you to add a confirmation code which is sent to your Gmail account. Then you place next.